Let's fix that windpipe so you can sleep without going. Or
for Super Rosario. By the way, it's been pointed out to me that Super Rosario shirts that the Minnesota Twins were wearing during batting practice today. $1,000. You gotta go to
say hello to the camera. Oh, sorry, did I interrupt you? What were you saying? What were you saying?
May I say this? I'm not a fan of the Minnesota Twins.
Ah! Say ah!
One good teamwork, two good artwork. And we saw that on display.
What do you mean not a fan of the Minnesota Twins?
I didn't grow up a Minnesota Twins fan. Simple as that.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure that's
It's called.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I can't clap my hands because one of them's holding a phone, so I'm smacking myself in the face. Khaleesi's waiting for mommy to get home. Khaleesi's waiting for mommy to get home. Khaleesi's waiting patiently by the window for mommy to get home from the store. Do you see mommy?